Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to view completed reservations on Airbnb. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for your reservations at the middle part of the screen. You will then see an option that says All Reservations on the right side of the screen. Click on All Reservations. On this page, you will see a tab that says Completed. Click on Completed. That's how you view your completed reservations on Airbnb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.